Hello, in this lecture we are going to set up JavaScript environment. For this we required one editor and we can install some extensions. Why? Because so with the editor what happens? Suppose we are using any notepad and a notepad plus plus, even also we can create JavaScript files, but the speed of development is very less. When we are using this one, speed of development is very less and there is no auto code is not possible, and there is any look wise, the variable wise, it not highlight our code, it never highlight our code. So what, definitely we prefer different editors. So now I am using this Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text and brackets. So before that, why need these editors? The first one, speed execution, and second one, auto complete, and third one, cleanest code for cleanest writing and editing. So, and format the code. How we can format, like a color, theme, and autocomplete, structure, suggestions. So we required editors for speed of development. Why? Because when we are typing our code, that situation it gives autocomplete, such like when we are typing HTML, like one letter, it automatically gives a suggestion for which one you required. When you are opening a one particular tag, automatically it will close that particular tag. And very simple one, it can simplify our work. Very simple, simplifies our work. Why? Because auto completeness is there, and very cleanest code. Why? Because we can place all the code at its single location, and very easy to update and easy to write and easy to edit. And we can format our code. Why? Because we can give like a variables in separate color and files are separate color. With a look only we can understood this is a variable and this is a tag and this is a file, per particular file. That's what it is, a very cleanest one. And we can create themes for particular files and colors for particular text, and it can give a structure. So what, we required this Visual Studio, I mean the text editors. So most people are in a real time, most people may use these text editor. Not only that one, there is a IntelliJ, is there, many web editors are there. So but people may prefer this Visual Studio Code. Many companies, many developers may use this Visual Studio Code only. Just you download this one automatically. Just when you click this one, automatically it will be download, right? When you click that, automatically download. Already I download this one. Just you double click on that, automatically it will be create one particular environment like this one. This is a Visual Studio Code. So these are black theme defaultly, but there is a preferences, just you can use that, the view and appearance, and there is a different and editor layout, and there is different ways you can edit your code, right? So appearance, there is terminal, we can execute only here only. When you are using this terminal, here only you can run your code. So more flexibilities it provides. And what extensions you required, so core extensions and how we can configure. The first of all, I was installed auto tag. Just I want to show something here. So I was using like auto close tag and auto import and live server and material icon theme and prettier code. So these all gives some facilities. So auto close tag is when you are opening one particular tag, automatically it generates close tag. And live server, every time we are not require refreshing our code, like material icon. So somewhat differences are there, just you observe here. So just you install this auto close tag and auto import, and there is one, this one also you can use. Live server, I was using this live server. Every time refreshing is not required. Once you code is on live server, automatically it will be update and no need to refresh continuously, right? And this is a material icon and folder symbols and files symbols, it will be gives very clearly, and material theme, and we are using like This is a mode. It provides a structure, our code structure it gives. So what very easy to we can analyze the where our block is begin and where our block is ended. So that point of view, this prettier code formatter is the most important. Without this, very easy to edit our code, and we can confuse where we begin and where we place. So with the help of prettier, definitely the people may things very easy to write the code, right? They may easy to adjust. And one more, so we can create one editor. Just you observe here, I want to, so before this, for development, definitely you should create one particular folder. Just definitely you should create one particular folder for your code. So suppose I am using JS code, JavaScript code. Just open the JavaScript code. Where is our Visual Studio Code? Right, Visual Studio Code, and a new window we required, fresh environment. Just and open your folder, right? File, open folder. This is our folder, and just select that folder and it opens, right? So this is our folder. Here this folder doesn't having any file right now. This JS code, this JS folder doesn't having any file, but we don't want to declare. Suppose just I am declaring here one, I am creating one particular file. So my file, just you observe, just I am saving here, and again you observe this side my file is created. The parallelly, if you want to create one particular file, first .html file, just automatically it create. Just you observe this one 5 symbol is there, right? It indicates HTML5 version. Just you observe same folder I am checking this one. That is a difference. And if you are creating one Java file, suppose not a Java file, JS file, script.js, it indicates JavaScript file. So the prettier code can give and material theme can give this flexibility. While we are observing these files, even directly we observe, oh, this is one of the HTML file, this is a text file, and this is a script file, JS file. So what? It is a very easy. So I want to write here HTML. Just you observe, it gives one suggestions. HTML, when I am clicking this one, automatically it creates both beginning and ending tag. Suppose I am creating one head tag, just I am closing this, automatically it generates closing tag. And I want to create a body tag here, body, and this is a title. Here in between this head tag I want to place title. So here I am using here paragraph, one paragraph. It gives paragraph. So it is actually we are placing this in. So here in between body tag there is a one paragraph is there. Just you observe, paragraph is there, title tag. When I am saving this, automatically it provides some structure. This is a flexibility. And in between this body tag, suppose I am trying to write any variable, right? B relevant attributes it will be provided. So suppose I am using this one BG color, automatically the color will be different. So for this one, and there is a live server is there. When you are clicking this live server, automatically it will be creates link, like one local file it will be created. Just you observe here, just I am updating this. While updating, automatically refreshing is not required. So welcome to JavaScript. What happens? Automatically it updates. So if in case I am not using this live server, what happens? Just you observe, close live server. So here I don't want to write, I am writing this one H1 FSwithSRIKANTH. This is my channel name actually. So without refreshing it won't come, and it not works also. it not works. Why? Because this link was expired, right? So while I want to execute this one, definitely you can go with this one particular file location, automatically you can write. And here I am starting go live server again. It creates, where is that, go live, it get. So this file is, just you observe, I want to close. So this was directly clicked one, and this was live server generated one. Just you observe this. So I want to update code. Just I am writing update code. Some text I am placing here. I am not refreshing. I am not saving this. And here first.html is not comes. When I am refreshing this, it comes. So this is a benefit of this live server extension, right? So, and placing all files in one area, and one benefit, and speed execution, and we can easy to understand and easy to observe at a time everything, every code, and there is different colors for our code. Some settings also available here. So multiple windows it will be open, right? Settings. So in the place of settings, just you can place some settings like editors, what is a page, and how to your save, and font color. Font default size is 14, and if you want to update with the 18, that is your wish, right? Save, automatically it will be updates. The size would be 18. So when you update this, again I am updating this font size 36. This is difference. So but we require 16 is enough. So lot of benefits with this text editor. Definitely we should set up this environment for our execution. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.